If you want to call for Emergency SOS on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then in that case you can press and hold the side button and either volume button. Just press and hold two buttons, one of the volume buttons and the side button, until you will see that you are calling the Emergency SOS. In addition to that, we have a couple of different options in Emergency SOS settings where we can toggle call, withhold, and release. So over here we can continuously hold the side button and either volume button, and then a countdown begins and an alarm sounds. And after the countdown, if you release the buttons, iPhone will call emergency services. We can also enable this option, call with 5 button presses, so you can rapidly press 5 times the side button, and then the countdown begins, and then you call the emergency. We can also toggle to this option to call SOS quietly if you want to. And if you want to find these settings, all you have to do is just go to Settings app and scroll down until you find Emergency SOS over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.